Gold spiked to 1370 last week when Ben Bernanke said he wasn't going to taper his bond purchases. I'm Greg Greenberg here at the NYMEX with Eric Zuccarelli. He's going to tell me gold's next stop. Eric, so is 1370 the top for gold?
Certainly after the unexpected move by Bernanke, we saw a very good short cover rally in the gold up to the 1370 region. It took a day or two of pause, and people seem to be reestablishing these short positions, and that's why we've seen the gold come down. Also, with the Indian increase of their interest rates, would indicate that there would be a less physical demand from that country, which is a very big consumer of the golden metal. So that combination of the two has certainly put a top in place, and we have seen at least a $50, $60 retracement of that short cover rally.
It seems like we have a good cop, bad cop scenario between Bernanke and Bullard. So is the trading method just to watch every Fed meeting and just listen to what these guys say?
Well, Bernanke actually has been fairly clear, and the parameters in which he had outlined for tapering were not met, even though most people foregone conclusion was a taper. And when these things don't come out the way the street wants, we do get violent volatility and action, much like in the equities, big pop also there. But he's been very clear on what he wants to do, and those parameters are not met. But the Fed meetings and what Bernanke says are very important to how gold does react.
And then finally, is good old supply and demand important as well? And what's the next step for gold?
Well, the supply and demand has never been as big a picture as the trust or faith in the price of a value of an asset. So the supply and demand is much more important, perhaps if you're trading the stocks. But as a futures trader, it's much more important to have a concise view of what the market is going to do based upon faith of the dollar, faith of economies, world unrest, but not really supply and demand. Having said that, we did see a little bit of supply demand issue when gold did come down to 1200 the first time over the summer, in which the Far East, China and India did come in and purchase quite a bit of gold. So from time to time it does matter, but on a day-to-day activity, absolutely not.
And gold finishes the year where?
I think we're certainly going to test the lows again under 1200 and perhaps break the lows. So I'm in the bear camp for gold.
All right, thanks a lot, Eric. Thank you for watching The Street.